Let me ask you something. When you invest your money, what exactly are you supporting? Just profits? Or the way those profits are made? Over the past decade, trillions of dollars have moved into something called ESG investing, funds labeled sustainable, responsible, ethical. Governments talk about it, corporations promote it, asset managers build entire portfolios around it. But here's the real question. Is ESG investing actually changing the world? Or is it just smart marketing attached to traditional investing? Before you decide whether ESG matters in 2026, you need to understand what it really is. ESG stands for Environmental, Social, Governance. Environmental looks at how a company impacts the planet, carbon emissions, energy usage, waste management. Social focuses on how companies treat people, employees, customers, communities. Governance examines leadership and decision-making, transparency, executive compensation, board structure. In simple terms, ESG tries to measure how responsibly a company operates, not just how much profit it makes. And in the US and UK especially, investor interest in ESG has grown rapidly. Why? Because more investors are asking a new question. Should my money align with my values? On the surface, ESG sounds like a win-win. Invest in companies that reduce environmental harm, support businesses with ethical practices, encourage stronger corporate accountability, and still aim for competitive returns. For younger investors in particular, this idea feels powerful: profit with purpose. But this is where things get complicated. There is no single global ESG standard. Different rating agencies evaluate companies differently. One firm might score a company highly for sustainability, while another questions its environmental record. Some ESG funds still hold shares in traditional energy companies. Others exclude entire industries. So investors often wonder, is ESG investing truly ethical investing? Or is it sometimes greenwashing, making companies appear more responsible than they really are? This debate has intensified in recent years, especially in political and financial discussions. And that brings us to the performance question. Does ESG investing actually perform better? Research shows mixed results. Some studies suggest companies with strong governance and sustainability practices may reduce long-term risk. Others show ESG funds perform similarly to traditional funds, not dramatically better, not dramatically worse. In other words, ESG investing is not a guaranteed shortcut to higher returns, but it also isn't necessarily a sacrifice. So, should you care about ESG in 2026? That depends on what kind of investor you want to be. If your focus is purely short-term price movements, ESG may not change much for you. But if you believe long-term risks include environmental damage, social instability, and poor corporate leadership, then ESG factors may matter more than you think. Because investing is not just about numbers, it's about ownership. And ownership means influence. The capital markets don't just respond to the world, they shape it. So the real question isn't whether ESG is perfect. It's whether ignoring environmental, social, and governance risks is smart in the long run. In 2026 and beyond, your investments don't just grow your wealth, they quietly fund the future. The only question is, what future are you investing in? This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or legal advice.